Hello guys, welcome to 5th generation hobby shop. Magre-review tayo ngayon ng Glock 34 by WE. And shoutout po pala kay Sir Elazar. Welcome to 5th generation hobby shop, sir. This is the Glock 34 G series. Gas blowback airsoft pistol. So, bali may kasama po siyang bala, .23 for free. And also comes with the green gas, number 12 pop dyno, standard power. And yung mga order nyo pong additional, sir, isa pang tangke, 0.30 grams 2,500 shots BBs, silicone lube, ayan, this is pop dyno brand also, and the extra magazine for Glock 34. So, pwede po siya sa Glock 34. Mamaya itetest natin. Okay, this is the box. Made in Taiwan. This is the Glock 34 Gen 4 G series. Owner's manual. Comes with 2 back straps, back strap pin, and the unit. Ayan. 34 tactical markings. Okay. Ayan, laser engrave, made in Taiwan, Gen 4. Ayan, sa kabilang side. So, ayan. So, mas mahaba siya ng kaunti sa Glock 17. So, meron tayo ditong Glock 17. Pakita ko lang. Okay, I have here the Glock 17 two-tone. And this is the Glock 34. Ayan, mas mahaba po siya ng konti. Sa Glock 17's, yung slide. Pero yung frame, or yung grip, parehas lang. Okay, sa slide lang mahaba ng konti. Okay, this is the Glock 34, the Glock 17. Okay. And then, this is the extra magazine. So, compatible siya sa Glock 17, Glock 34, Glock 35, Glock 18. Yung magazine na to. Okay, so testing natin mamaya. So, lalagyan lang natin siya ng gas. Para ma-check natin yung muzzle velocity or the EPS. Okay, so lagyan natin ng gas. 3 to 5. 1, 1001, 1002, 1003. Okay. So, lagyan din natin itong isa para matest natin. Oops. Okay. So, yan yung extra. Ito yung stock. Okay. So, lagyan lang natin ng bala para ma-chronograph testing. So, 4 shots lang munang ilalagay natin for chronograph testing. Okay, 4 shots. Again, this is the Glock 34. So, meron siyang lagay ng accessories, flashlight. Pwede rin siyang lagyan ng tracer kasi may thread po yung barrel niya. Ayan. Tracer units. And ito, optic ready. So, pwede po siyang lagyan ng pwede siyang lagyan ng red dot optic, no? So, mari-remove kasi itong rear sight niya para sa red dot optic. Ayan yung sight. Tritium. Glock 34 Gen 4 by WE. Okay, so testing natin kung ilang EPS. Okay, chronograph testing. Again, this is the Glock 34 Gen 4 by WE, made in Taiwan. Okay, shout out again kay Sir Elazar. Okay. Testing. Firing. 404.7. Wow, lakas niya. 404.7 EPS. Ganun kalakas si Glock 34. Okay, so out natin para makita. Ayan. Okay, one more. Firing. Okay, walang binasa. Isa pa. Firing. 400.4. Wala rin binasa. Okay. So, lagyan pa natin para consistent yung ating chronograph testing. Dahil nakadalawa lang tayo ng test. Okay, kasi nag-open chamber na siya eh. So, load ko lang ng dalawa ulit. Okay, firing. 392.6 and 392.2. Okay, so malakas. Malakas talaga si Glock 34. Okay, open chamber na siya. So, release the magazine. Then, subukan nating i-test yung, subukan nating i-test yung etong kanyang extra magazine. Tingnan natin kung ilang EPS. Subukan nating i-test. 3 bala lang. So, ito yung extra mag. 3 bala. Okay, salpak natin. Then, tingnan natin kung ilang EPS ito. Okay. Firing. 376.2. 389.6. 375.5. Okay. So, malakas din. Extra mag. Open chamber again. So, test natin, sir, yung shooting test po tayo, no? So, lagyan lang natin bala tong dalawa. 6. Yung palang silicone lube, sir, bali ini-spray po yun sa bulb, sa mga metal to metal parts. Okay? So, ito pong silicone lube. Ito po. Dito po yan ini-spray. Sprayan nyo po yung bulb, dalawang bulb. Yan, sa magazine. And, pwede nyo ring sprayan yung sa metal to metal parts, yung railing. No? Baklasin natin. Ito po. Ito, yung railing, ito. Yung part na yan, ito, nandito, dito, yan po yung nilalagyan ng lube o ini-sprayan. Nandito po, yung part na to, kasi yun po yung railing, dyan po, kumbaga yan po yung metal to metal nagkikiskisan. Ito yung part na to. Yan, ito. Okay? Basta yung pinagdadaanan ng metal to metal. Yan. Okay, so testing, shooting test. Then, i-test din natin ulit yung extra magazine. Okay, Sir LSR, testing po ng inyong unit, the Glock 34 Gen 4 by WE. So, this is the competition model, Glock 34. Testing. Firing. Okay. Maganda, accurate. So, ubusin lang natin yung bala. Okay, open chamber. Release the magazine. Then, test natin yung isa, yung extra mag nyo, sir. Okay. Okay, open chamber again. Release the magazine. Then, hatakin nyo lang tong slide pag nag-open chamber kasi bababa po yan. Pag hinatak mo siya dyan, bababa siya, then release. Hammer down, okay? So, okay na po ang inyong unit, sir. Ay, sorry. So, kung may question po regarding sa inyong unit, message lang sa aming Facebook page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop. At sa mga contact numbers na nakalagay. Yung official contact numbers namin, okay? So, yun lamang po, sir. Thank you and have a nice day.